Let's go to a story from this. Jesus Christ delivered a demon-possessed man. He was bound with chains. Nakatira na sa sementeryo, nakatira na on the tombs. Every day he is wailing, he is crying out. Linalayuan siya ng lahat ng mga tao because he was demon-possessed. Pero Christ, ang maganda dito yung context na ang Panginoon, kailangan pang tumawid sa bagyo para lang maka-cross over dun sa island ng tao na to. And for this just one man, he has traversed storm just to deliver this one man. And I tell you mga kapatid, kahit na gaano pa kalaki ang pinagdadaanan mo, God had traversed heaven to earth para lang palayain ka. Ayaw ng Panginoon that you will be forever bound in your chains. He doesn't want you to live that way. Kaya tatahakin ng Panginoon kahit anumang bagyo. Basta lang mapalaya ka. Aalisin ng Panginoon lahat ng mga misconceptions mo para lang mapalaya ka. Because in the deliverance, I believe God has the power to set you free. He has the power. He has the authority that when Christ speaks, that when you meet Jesus Christ, when you encounter God, you can be set free. Get loose into your chain.